In this video, I will provide a prompt to Pocketful GPT that I want to buy 10 shares of Happiest Minds Technologies at the current market price. Please analyze the live market and provide the best entry, stop loss, and exit targets based on technical indicators, support resistance, and momentum. Also suggest key breakout levels. Pocketful GPT provides a comprehensive trading overview for Happiest Minds Technologies, including live traded price, LTP, intraday data, bid-ask spread, market status, technical analysis thesis, and key support and resistance levels. It also generates a structured intraday trade plan. For example, 10 shares with MIS intraday recommendation, covering the optimal entry price, stop-loss level, exit targets, key breakout levels, and important risk considerations. After reviewing the trade plan, you can simply provide the Execute It prompt. Once confirmed, Pocketful GPT automatically places the buy order through the Order section in the Pocketful app, and the executed trade is reflected directly in your portfolio. After executing the buy order, you can also sell the shares using Pocketful GPT. Simply provide a prompt to close or exit the position. Pocketful GPT will analyze the current market conditions, price movement, and target levels, and then execute the sell order through the Order section of the Pocketful app. Once the order is completed, the transaction is automatically updated in your portfolio and order history.